All right, we got a 2008 Mercedes GL 320. This is a common problem with bushings on a rack and pinion. So was the old bushing right here. Old bushing was destroyed right there. I have a little advice on those who want to save money. So this bushing and that bushing right there. There's bushings that go in there on these little metal pieces. 2 metal pieces are in there. Okay, so what you do is you take this, cut off the old bushing, and go find a nice thick garden hose and just cut the garden hose and put it on there, and it's a perfect fit. And you just take it and stick it in there, and you'll be good to go. So I already got one in, and just gonna like that, use a pry bar. Let me see if I can do that. I'm gonna use a pry bar. Gently push it in. Be careful what you push it on so you don't damage it. Nope, can't push it on that. So right there, that should be good. And that should, right there. Okay. So you just use whatever you can, just improvise and push it inside the hole all the way, and then put it all back together, and you'll be good to go, and there won't be any movement in the rack and pinion anymore. Hope you guys find it useful. Thank you.